My name is Carl von Knobelsdorff, President and CEO of Knobelsdorff Electric. While our name is Knobelsdorff Electric, automation and controls and systems integration is a key component of our business. We offer this to many clients that we also offer electrical services to, as well as just automation and controls as a standalone service. Our controls engineers understand your process, not just how to write code. They know every detail inside and out of the process and of the type of facility and industry that they're serving, which will give you a better process system at the end of the project. Knobelsdorff Electric started as an electrical contracting company back in the late 80s, and we've evolved into an automation, controls, and system integration company through the need for this service throughout our industry. Our customers found a need for a one-stop shop, somebody who could do all of this under one house instead of them having to manage multiple contractors to complete the same project. Our clients find efficiency through working through one shop for their electrical design and construction, as well as automation and system integration needs. By having this service offered under one company instead of multiple companies offers a more streamlined process for them to manage. They find it easier to work with one shop that knows both the automation and programming needs as well as doing the electrical work. It offers a better process, easier startups, and a better system at the end of the project. Our number one goal in every project is to have a satisfied customer at the end of the project. We want to do everything we can to ensure a smooth and successful project startup at the end of our job.